Senthil Kumar, Director, Quantum Heaters India Pvt Ltd, Pvt. At Quantum Heaters, we specialize in providing precise heat treatment services like hydrogen bracing, hydrogen annealing, continuous furnace bracing, and inert atmosphere bracing services to various industries like automobile, textile, healthcare, precision instrumentation, magnetic shielding, railways, defense and aerospace. Since 2008, we have been relying on Messer Regulators for all our industrial applications. In 2015, when we planned for some expansions, we had some problems in the allocation of cylinders to our machines. This not only occupied large floor space but also posed some logistical issues on how to move the cylinders in and out of the company. Regarding that, we had a discussion with Mr. Sai Krishna, Synergic Solutions Pvt. Along with the Messer team to find a solution to this problem. After a thorough discussion, we decided to implement Messer Manifolds, Messer Flashback Arrestors and also a comprehensive gas pipelining system to solve our problem. The professional and friendly attitude displayed by the Messer team while installation was highly commendable. Prior to handover, the Messer team has conducted a meticulous inspection on all the pipelines so that it has been smoothly integrated into our system. Since installation, we have a great efficiency increase. We are now using more than 5 times the volume of cylinder that we used before, with very less or no usage of cylinder inside the premises. So this reduced laborious task of moving the cylinders in and out of the factory tremendously, leading to a higher efficiency. Moreover, the floor space utilized for cylinders near the machines was completely eradicated, so that it has been proven very effective for our system. Moreover, all the regulators which we use till now are from Messer, which acts as a testimony to our satisfaction on all our Messer products. We highly appreciate the help extended by the Messer team in times of critical junctures. Thank you.